What's up, people? I'm Master Ketchup from Pokemon Battle Frontier, and let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a fan-made DVD opening made for entertainment purposes only. It is not real or made to be taken seriously. I know I'm supposed to be near with May and Max and my buddy Pikachu right now, but anyway, enjoy the opening to the 2006 DVD of the MGM version of The Fox and the Hound. That's the MGM released The Fox and the Hound instead of Disney. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to me with me and Max. Enjoy the video.